It's a great day for hockey cards, or not for hockey cards, because we're going to take a look at Star Trek, The Next Generation, Archives and Inscriptions. It's got 4 autos in here. This box currently costs around $85 if you were to buy it. I know this may not be everybody's cup of tea. Oops, sorry for bumping the camera there. If it's not, feel free to skip to the next video or find another video. Every once in a while, though, I do crack open a box of Star Trek cards on this channel because I'm a Star Trek nerd. So, of course I do. 6362 is our serial number. That's not important for any reason that I'm aware, but I thought I'd show it to you anyway. For the price, we're going to get 4 auto cards in here. I'm guessing most of them will be people we don't know. Obviously, you're hoping to hit one of the main cast members, but probably the odds aren't good for that. Who knows? If you're just joining me because you like the content on the channel, hey, thanks for sticking around and watching me doing a Star Trek video. Right? Let's get right into it. Never seen these cards before. Really foily packs. What do we got there? We can get Rittenhouse reward points. Who knows what those are good for? So these are really cheap feeling cards, unfortunately. Like, they're not glossy at all. There's a Wesley Crusher, 3 of 9. I'm guessing these have different quotes on them. Memorable quote, I always get an A. Okay. There's Encino Jax. There's another Wesley Crusher. There's Ambassador Sarek and Kalis. Interesting. I'm not going to bother reading through all these quotes because there's a lot of packs in this box. Mainly interested in seeing who we pull for the autos out of here, right? 4 of them. When was the last time I opened a product with 4 autos? There's Captain Picard. There's Lal. Admiral Elena Nechayev. It's Thomas Riker. And there's Chief Miles Edward O'Brien. These are... I don't know if there's any type of inserts in these or if they're all just these quotes cards that their characters have said. There's Lieutenant Commander Worf, who hates questionnaires. There's Dr. Paul Stubbs. Oh, so here is like an insert. Encounter at Farpoint, that was the pilot episode. Interesting. There's Dr. Noonien Sung and Lieutenant Natasha Yar. I don't know, is anybody else out there a Star Trek fan? Yeah, I don't know how much crossover there is between hockey card collectors and Star Trek fans. Probably think this break would be on a pop culture channel. It's not, it's on mine. There's Commander William Riker, Commander Bruce Maddox, Lieutenant Commander Data, Kyle Riker, and Kaler. Let's see, these packs open pretty nicely. There's Geordi, Damon Tog. Oh, we got a little inscribed Admiral Nechayev. I don't know who the actress is. Natalia Nogaluch, I guess. I don't know how to pronounce her name. But that's a really cool looking auto there. There's Scotty and Dr. Pulaski. There's Data, Captain Jellicoe, Kivas Fajo, Alexander Rozhenko, and Dr. Leia Brahms. There's Dr. Beverly Crusher, and that is one of my favorite Dr. Crusher quotes. You can pause it if you want to read it. There's Hugh. Oh, and we've got a card from the Lower Decks series, which I didn't even know they was in here. We've got Shax. So apparently there are some inserts in here. That's cool. Lower Decks is a really funny show. There's Spock and Vash. There's Geordi, Ensign Cito Jaxa. You've got Jev. Oh, wow, look at the die cut on that. That is really cool. The name is cut out. There's all those little embellishments. That's a really cool looking card. I kind of wish there was more variety in the pictures, because you'll see like the Vosh cards, they all have the same picture on them. Or Laren. I mean, it's not like there's not thousands of hours of footage, or hundreds of hours of footage at least of Next Gen. There's Counselor Troy, Gul Madred. Oh, here's another auto. We've got Bruce Maddox. The real Bruce Maddox. I'm not sure what the purpose of putting the real Bruce Maddox is on there. I don't know. Brian Brophy's the actor, apparently. Measure of a Man. Great episode. Dr. Ira Graves and Captain Rachel Garrett. There's Commander Worf, Dr. Paul Stubbs, Amanda Rogers, Dr. Nguyen Sung, and Lieutenant Yar. I think we're going to run into a bunch of, not necessarily duplicates, because they, like Worf I see has 18 different quotes you can collect. But the cards aren't that varied in terms of the artwork photography. Q, Kivas Fajo. Looks like we got another insert here. Infinite Possibilities, Counselor Troy. And these are made out of pretty hefty cardstock. I mentioned in the beginning how like these feel flimsy, but those insert cards do not. That's Tam Elbrin and Ambassador Alcar. There's Ardra, Armus, and there is Adrian McKenzie. From the Ensigns of Command episode. I don't specifically remember her. Admiral Jameson and Salia. Probably mispronouncing these as I do hockey players. You see, it's not exclusive to NHLers. I will mispronounce everybody's name everywhere. Amanda Rogers, Locutus Borg, Commander Bruce Maddox, Ro Laren, and Berlinghoff Rasmussen. There's Geordi, Damon Togg, Ira Graves, Scotty, and Dr. Pulaski. See, now we're getting a lot of duplicates. I didn't look up to see how many total cards are in this set, nor how many different variations with the quotes. There's Duras, Captain Chorus. Got like another Lower Decks promo card, I guess. Season 2, Embarrassment of Duplers. Make some Lower Decks cards. How about those? The Traveler and Thaden Akona. Outrageous Akona. Outrageous, I say. There's Guinan, Damon Bach, Ambassador Ves Alcar, Kohlrami. There's Nechayev again. We have one auto left to pull. Maybe it'll be Connor McDavid. Wesley Crusher, Cito Jaxa, Cyrus Redblock, Ambassador Sarek, and Kalis. There's Lore. There's Cyrus Redblock again. Looks like we got our lower decks card. Season 1. Envoys. Luxana Troy. And Captain Maxwell. Lots of packs in these. These almost feel like an old school box of cards. Robin Leffler. Commander Sela. And there's maybe our final auto. We've got Ensign Janet Brooks. Kim Braden. Gowron. And Moriarty. Still looks like we have a decent number of packs left too. So maybe there's an outside chance to get another auto. We've got 5 packs left here. Captain Picard, there's Lal, there's Admiral Jameson, there's Tom Riker, and Miles Edward O'Brien. He was a Union man. Commander Riker, Commander Maddox, Dr. Pulaski, Cal Riker, and Kalair. Yeah, it looks like we're mostly getting duplicates as far as the characters at this point. There's Data, Captain Jellicoe. Here's another Encounter at Farpoint insert. There's Alexander and Dr. Leia Brahms. Amanda Rogers. Locutus. We've got a Best of Both Worlds episode card. There's Ensign Rowe and Berlinghoff Rasmussen. And final pack. There's Guinan, Damon Bach. Looks like another Best of Both Worlds card. Kohlrami, and Admiral Nechayev again. So there you have it. That is, I believe he was released in 2022, Star Trek Next Generation Archives and Inscriptions trading cards. Let me know what you think of the break in the comments below. Do you like stuff like this? I know in the past I've opened some Star Trek stuff, and people generally don't like it because that's not what the channel's built around. But I enjoy it every once in a while. But thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.